Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block WhatsApp call from a person. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to block calls from a person, then in this video we will show you two methods. So in the first method, we will open the chat window of the person. Now here we need to press on the three dots. Now press on more. Here we simply need to press on block. Now press on block again. Now we have blocked this contact and in future we will not receive any calls or any text message from this contact. Basically we have completely blocked this contact. But if you want to receive text message but only want to block the calls, then there is no such method given by WhatsApp, but we can use some tricks so that it will solve your purpose. So first we will unblock this contact and now you need to press on the contact name. Now here you need to press on notification. Now in notifications you need to press on ringtones. Now here you need to press on themes. Now here you need to select don't set ringtone. Press on apply. Press on OK. Now what we have done, we have silent the ringtone of this person. So whenever we will receive a WhatsApp call from this person, our phone will not ring up. So we will not be get disturbed and we will continue to receive text message etc. from this contact. So friends, by using these tricks you can block WhatsApp call from a person. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.